Welcome to New Jersey Patriot News, your source for Second Amendment news in New Jersey and around the nation. I'm your host, Matthew Bartke. Today is Monday, February 26, 2024. Lawmakers in Louisiana pushed closer to passing constitutional carry today. Following the passage of SB 1 in the full Senate last Thursday, 28-10, the bill passed to the House, where today it passed committee 10-3. It will be taken up for a full House vote, and if passed without amendments, will be sent to Governor Landry for signature. If passed and signed, Louisiana would become the 28th state to adopt constitutional carry, passing South Carolina in the process, where that state Senate continues to debate their bill behind closed doors, not content to pass the House version without amendment. It remains unclear if or when the South Carolina bill may pass, and with what amendments attached. Judge Roger Benitez in the Federal District Court of Southern California issued a ruling in another Second Amendment case this past Friday. The ruling finds unconstitutional California's ban on billies, essentially billy clubs or other such blunt instruments meant for defense. In the opinion, Judge Benitez highlights that the state's argument of technological advancements and unprecedented societal concerns falls flat for what amounts to a ban on a technologically simple weapon, a stick, and an age-old societal ill, criminally assaulting another with a stick. The judge, quoting the Bruin decision, stated, "When a challenged regulation addresses a societal problem that has persisted since the 18th century, the lack of a distinctly similar historical regulation addressing that problem is relevant evidence that the challenged regulation is inconsistent with the Second Amendment." Oral arguments have been scheduled in the Third Circuit for the Firearms Policy Coalition and Second Amendment Foundation supported case, Delaware State Sportsmen's Association, Inc. versus Delaware Department of Safety and Homeland Security. The case, which challenges Delaware's ban on so-called assault weapons and magazines that hold more than 17 rounds, will be heard on March 11, 2024 at 1:30 p.m. before Circuit Judges Bibas, Montgomery Reeves, and Roth. Famed Second Amendment attorney Aaron Murphy of Clement and Murphy, who successfully argued Bruin and has argued in the Third Circuit for the New Jersey Siegel-Coons case, will be one party arguing on behalf of plaintiffs. Attorney Jeremy Feigenbaum will also be participating in oral arguments on behalf of New Jersey as an amicus appellee. Another anti-gun, anti-carry bill was reintroduced in the New Jersey Senate last week. State Senator Shirley Turner introduced Senate Bill S-2800, a refile from last legislative session that would expand the state's list of gun-free zones. The bill would create zones of 1,000 feet around a school, college, or university building or facility, or while on any school bus where possession of a firearm or firearm parts would constitute a third-degree crime punishable by imprisonment for a term of 3 to 5 years and a fine of up to $15,000 or both. Or in the case of possession of any other weapon, a fourth-degree crime punishable by imprisonment for a term of up to 18 months and a fine of up to $10,000 or both. The bill also provides that anyone who possesses a firearm within 500 feet of a daycare center, public building, public housing facility, or public park or recreational area is guilty of a crime of the third degree, and a person who possesses any weapon within 500 feet of any of these places or facilities is guilty of a crime of the fourth degree. Much of the premise of this bill was already included in the state's Bruin response bill passed in December 2022 and has since been challenged and partially enjoined. The bill has been referred to the Senate Law and Public Safety Committee, but has not been scheduled for a vote. This is New Jersey Patriot News, your source for Second Amendment news in New Jersey and around the nation. I'm Matthew Bartke. Thanks for listening.